araw na ito, i-share ko po sa inyo yung dalawang intro video ko. So, it is requested po ito sa isa nating um, medical professional na gusto ring mag-apply sa HelloRage. Thank you po, ma'am, for this request. So, dalawang video po ito. Ang unang ipapakita ko po sa inyo is ito po yung intro video na una ko pong ginawa. No? So, pagpasensyahan na po kasi nung ginawa ko po ito is yung first time nga, di ba? Alam ko yung nafe-feel ng mga first time dyan magsabi ng intro video. Ilang takes po, grabe, ilang takes po yung nagawa ko. And um, at alam nyo naman, mga background noises, mga tahol ng aso, may biglang sasakyan or motor na daraan. So, ilang edits, ilang takes po ito. So, ito po yung unang video ko. Kindly watch this.
Looking for a committed, passionate, and goal-oriented healthcare virtual assistant? I am much willing to be at your service. I am Maryvic Alisa Halalo Lantaco, and you can call me Aisa for short. I'm a registered nurse by profession here in the Philippines, and I had an experience as a staff nurse, company clinic attendant, and a caregiver clinical instructor, which developed my assertiveness, critical thinking skills, and decision-making skills. It also developed my ability to work in a team environment as well as independently, to work under pressure, and to multitask. I had also an experience as a franchise business marketing consultant doing admin tasks and social media marketing. I can assure you that I am organized, can easily be trained, and a fast learner. Lastly, my main objective to my clients is to give outstanding result, long-term relationship, and professionalism to my work. And if given a chance, I will be a great addition to your team. Again, this is Aisa Halalo Lantaco, and I'm looking forward to be working with you soon.
So, ayan, nakita niyo na po yung intro video na pinasa ko po sa application ko po sa HelloRage. So, kitang-kita po naman, 'di ba, na medyo hindi pa talaga tayo komportable sa camera. So, yan, ito pong video ito is parang sharing na rin din po, reaction ko po sa intro video at tips na rin para at least sa gagawa pa ng mga intro video, mas the best pa yung maipapasa niyo. So, as you can see, no, first tip po is dapat malinaw. So, kitang-kita naman, phone lang po yung gamit ko dyan. So, yung shadow kitang-kita, so yung ilaw, hindi masyadong maganda yung lighting, at yung mata ko po is hindi talaga naka-eye contact sa camera. At halatang halata po na nakakalimutan ko po yung script na prepare ko for the intro video. So, yun po yung pinasa ko, pero good news, nakapasa naman po tayo sa application. So, tips ko po sa magpapasa pa for their application. So, una po is dapat attire po tayo professionally. Kung meron po kayong uniform sa mga babae or sa lalaki na mga nursing uniform po natin nakaputi, no? Or you have blazer po na white, mas maganda po yan para at least presentable po tayo during our application. At sa mga lalaki naman, if meron po tayong necktie, no? Naka-formal talaga, pang malakasang outfit. So, yun na po yung gamitin natin. At pangalawa po, prepare your script. I-memorize nyo po para at least hindi po paulit-ulit nating i-take yung video natin. No, ibenta nyo po yung sarili nyo kasi 1 minute lang po itong video na to. So, ilagay nyo po yung best script which describe yourself po sa video ito. At pangatlo po, no, is make sure maganda po yung lighting, no, ng ating video, no, kitang-kita yung mukha mo, no, walang mga shadows, at dapat yung background niyo po is clear, no, clear po. Sa akin mali po yun kasi may picture pa, di ba, kita-kita yung picture. Dapat clear po siya, no, dapat kung pwede white or cream na background, much better po. At syempre po audible po yung boses natin. Clear po yung pinagsasabi natin during our video. At syempre, wala pong mga noises, no? Walang mga tahol ng aso or kung may manok ba or mga naglalakad. So, dapat wala po yun. So, this time naman po, isi-share ko po sa inyo yung pangalawang intro video ko kung saan edited na po ito. Ito na po yung pinasa namin sa admin para sa client naman. Okay? Kindly watch this video po. Looking for a committed, passionate, and goal-oriented healthcare virtual assistant? I'm very much willing to be at your service. I am Maryvic Alisa Halalo Lantaco, and you can call me Isa for short. I'm a registered nurse here in the Philippines and a HelloRage certified healthcare virtual assistant. I had experience as a staff nurse in the hospital, a company clinic attendant, and a caregiver clinical instructor, which developed my critical thinking skills and decision-making skills. It also developed my ability to work in a team environment as well as independently, to work under pressure, and to multitask. I also had experience as a franchise business marketing consultant doing admin tasks and social media marketing. I'm also HIPAA certified. I can assure you that I'm organized, can be easily trained, and a fast learner. Lastly, my objective to my clients is to give outstanding results, long-term relationships, and professionalism to my work. If given a chance, with my intensive training in Hello Rach, I can be a great addition to your team. Again, this is Aisa Halalan Lantako, and I'm looking forward to working with you soon. Okay, so nakita niyo na po yung second intro video ko kung saan edited na po siya, no? At we are so blessed kasi during the training naman po, bibigyan tayo ng mga tips, mga guidelines ng ating HR admin kung saan pwede mong i-minimize yung mga takes at maging maganda po yung intro video natin sa ating mga clients. So as you can see, medyo improved na po siya. May background music na po siya at dapat yung background music na yun is hindi po siya nag-i-interrupt, no, sa ating pinagsasalita. As you can see, maganda na po yung background natin, no? Hindi na po, naka-landscape na po siya, so kitang-kita po tayo na nagsasalita. At confident na po, medyo confident na po yung pangalawang video. Memorize na po yung script natin. So kailangan po talagang paghandaan. At syempre po, no, as you can see, naka-headset na po ako noon kasi I am using a noise cancellation headset kasi para hindi madinig yung mga background noises natin. So pero kung wala naman po kayong mga cancellation headset, you can still use na basta make sure na wala lang po tayong mga noises. At syempre, sa mga babae naman, wear makeup para at least presentable po tayo at maganda po tayo sa video natin. At as you can see, inedit ko po siya ng content, nilagyan ko talaga ng pangalan ko, no? Kung pwede niyo po lagyan ng mga logo sa gitna, no? Basta hindi lang po siya hindi lang siya distract, no, sa video presentation mo kasi you are given 1 minute, no, to deliver yourself, to ibenta mo yung sarili mo sa intro video na yan. So hope na may natutunan po kayo sa mga tips na binigay po natin. At syempre, I hope na mas better at mas improve pa po yung mga intro video ninyo. So sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-apply sa ganitong opportunity, sa lahat po ng ating mga medical professional na nandito sa Pinas, you can watch my video po, no? Meron po akong isang ginawa kung paano po mag-apply. And you can use my name po sa gusto ng assistance, no, sa pag-join sa HelloRage Company. So ilalagay ko po yung link ng mga kung saan po kayo mag-apply, yung video na ginawa ko po. At if you have some comments or mga tanong po kayo or suggestions or yung iba, mas may better tips pa na nakalimutan ko, just comment down below para marami po tayong matulungan na gustong mag-apply ng mga healthcare professionals natin.